Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new review video again. So today we have the Fenty Beauty lip cream glosses. So these are the new lip cream glosses that she recently released, and I got my hands on these because the gloss bombs are one of my favorite lip glosses from high end. I love those a lot. So when she came out with these cream ones, I wanted to try out and swatch for you and do a quick review showing you all the shades. She has only 5 shades for now, so I'm quickly gonna give you all the swatches on my lips, on my hands, and I'll quickly tell you a few things about what is new. Today's video is going to be all about this, and I am very excited for this video. So anyways, if you are new here to my channel, my name is Charmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, and even hauls. So if you come across my channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there. If you want, you can check it out. And without wasting time, let's get into the I'm really sorry, this is my 4th video of the day, so I really can't speak. But without wasting time, let's get into the video. I really can't speak. So these are the new Fenty Beauty cream lip glosses. So she has 5 shades, as you can see. If I can like show you properly, these are the 5 shades that she has come out with. I got it from Sephora Middle East website because they were available, because as soon as like Fenty Beauty releases in US, it releases here, and that is what I love about like Fenty Beauty products, because they release the same day as it releases in US. So I'm really glad about this. So this is the outer packaging. It is very similar to their gloss bomb, just it's written like cream here. So the original gloss bomb are like shiny with a bunch of shimmers to it, but this is like purely cream gloss bomb. So we actually have like all the shades. I have all the shades. I love these lip glosses. That is why I have invested in all these glosses, because they are my favorite. I mean, there are deeper shades which I usually don't wear, but I think I want to try all of them and see how it looks, because sometimes I need like deeper tone glosses and I really don't have them a lot. So I thought I'll quickly try these. So I got this from Sephora Middle East website. I'll put a link in the description. So these are for $19 each, and on Sephora Middle East it is 400 dirhams, same price as the lip gloss, like the gloss bomb. So they are available in 5 shades. So this is the luscious color explosive shine nourished fuller looking lips. Our first gloss, now with pure creamy color and incredible shine. Lips are instantly smoother and more voluminous looking. Usually the lip glosses, these are my favorite, and my favorite shade is like Sweet Mouth. It's amazing. It makes your lips look like fuller and juicy. Honestly, very juicy. It is thick, but it is not very sticky. So I really love these. They are amazing and they smell amazing too. Your favorite feel good, look great lip gloss, now with medium to full coverage, color and zero shimmer. So these don't have shimmer at all. They are purely just cream glosses. Universally flattering shimmer free color in 5 creamy shades. Buildable full intensity pigment, brilliant shine, non-sticky feel. XXL wand applies in just one swipe. Vitamin A to nourish lips. Light peach vanilla scent. So now she usually has like just vanilla scent, but now even for the holiday collection it was like peachy vanilla, and even this has like peachy vanilla scent. That's amazing, because I love the vanilla scent. Fenty Beauty is 100% cruelty free. I'll quickly just show you all the shades. So firstly we have the shade Mauve Vibes, which is 01, and this is a rosy mauve. Then secondly we have the shade Fenty Glow, which is the universal rose glow color. She has the universal lip gloss in Fenty Glow as well. So this is like similar but in a creamy version. Then thirdly we have the shade Honey Waffles, which is honey butter brown. This is like caramel color. So we actually have that. It's not caramel color, but it is like waffle color. So then we have the shade Cookie Jar, which is chocolate caramel. Then lastly we have the shade Fruit Snacks, which is berry red. We actually have 5 shades. Now quickly I'll give you all the hand swatches, and then we'll get into the lip swatches. And my reviews. So let's go. So these are the 5 shades that she has come out with. There is one just like the, not exactly pink, but just like mauve color, and then you have this beautiful universal rose gold color which she has in the original one as well. Then we have the cream one, which is with, then we have the cream one, then we have the waffle shade, and then we have the chocolate caramel, and then lastly we have the shade like snacks. So let's see, I'll give you all these swatches on my hands. She has also like showed on her Instagram that you can pair a couple of these lip creams with the lip glosses that she already has. So you can pair the Fenty Glow cream with Fenty Glow lip gloss, then you can pair the other one which is fruit snacks with the shade cheeky. So we will actually be trying that out. Pair the shade cookie jar with the shade hot chocolate. We'll try that as well, so I'll show you quickly on the hands as well. This is the first, so this is the first shade, which is mauve vibes. So this is how the packaging is. This is the mini size, this is the bigger size, so you can see the difference. Honestly, it smells peachy, because the lip gloss that she released for the holiday season, that also is like peachy vanilla, but that is not like too strong peachy. It's still mostly like the scent is like vanilla. This smells like peachy, and it actually smells really good. So this is the first shade. Oh my god, that is stunning. And I love a good juicy glossy lip gloss. So this is the first shade. This can be like your everyday mauve shade. Then this is the second one, which is the shade Fenty Glow, and as you can see, this is the original Fenty Glow that she came out with, and this is the shimmer one. So side by side it looks like this. I mean, that is also really pretty. Then we have the third shade, which is Honey Waffles. I think I'm gonna like this shade because it is like too warm, like pumpkin shade, so I'm not sure. But I mean, that is like too warm, so I'm not sure. I mean, actually this looks like caramel, not exactly like caramel, but usually like caramel shade is like this shade. But anyways, this is how the color looks. Not a big fan of this color, but let's see, on the lips it might look great. Then we have the fourth shade, which is Cookie Jar, and she has shown that you can pair this one with the lip gloss in the shade Hot Chocolate. So you can actually pair these two together and see how it looks. So this is the fourth shade. That is also really pretty. Then lastly we have the shade Fruit Snacks. This is like a beautiful berry shade, and it looks really nice. And she had shown to use the lip gloss on top of it in the shade Cheeky, which is like a beautiful orange color. So we'll see how that looks. That is very pretty. So this is the shade. All look really pretty. These two honestly look really nice, and the berry shade look really pretty. Now I'll just compare it side by side. So we have the original lip gloss in the shade Gloss Bomb. We have the original Gloss Bomb in the shade Universal Glow. So you can see that, I mean, they don't really look that similar. I mean, obviously the cream one has more pigment to it, and this is a gloss, that is why it doesn't look that similar. But the Gloss Bomb, original Gloss Bomb, are my favorite because they have so much shimmers to it. Then we have to compare the Cookie Jar with Chocolate Bomb. So this is the Cookie Jar, and then you have the shade Chocolate Bomb. I'll just see how it looks. I mean, it is not said that it is similar. You can pair it up. I mean, where you can use a cream and then top it up with the gloss if you want. I don't know whether it would look good on this. Doesn't look that great. Then lastly, you can pair the shade Cheeky with Fruit Snacks. I mean, this is a stunning lip gloss shade. I mean, this will actually look pretty, but I think if I have a creamer version of the lip gloss, I don't think I will be pairing with the lip creams. I mean, one is just enough for me. So anyways, now I'll just wipe this off and we'll get into the lip swatches. So guys, I finally finished doing all these swatches and I love this shade, which is the Fenty Glow. And honestly, I'll quickly show you my top 3 favorites. I mean, it will actually be nothing new, but my first 2 favorite shades is Mauve's Wife and Fenty Glow, which is the shade 1 and 2, and I am actually wearing the shade Fenty Glow, which is the third one. And I am amazed and I am shocked that I like this shade, but this is the 5th shade, which is Fruit Snack, which is like a berry tone. I love this shade and it is actually so pretty. It looks really, seriously, very pretty on your lips. So I really love these shades. So now going on to my reviews, going on to the first 2 light shades. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm not actually wearing any lip liner or any lipstick below it. It is a cream lip gloss, so you don't actually need to wear a lipstick or lip liner. I mean, it's totally up to you, but I usually like don't. I just outline my lip, and sometimes I don't even do that. I just use like lip creams, cream lip glosses on its own because it looks nice. So these 2 shades are like pigmented. They are opaque lip glosses and they give like full opaqueness to your lips because they are like light shades. But now as we are going like to the deeper shades, you have to actually apply like 2 coats because they are not that pigmented. I mean, they are creamy, they are very shiny, they are beautiful, they smell amazing, they smell peachy, not exactly vanilla, but peachy purely, and they don't stick. I mean, they don't really stick and they are so beautiful. I actually loved this shade, which is Waffles. Somehow it was actually looking pretty good on my face. I mean, not with this makeup, but I mean on camera it was looking really nice. So it depends on what type of makeup look I do or what lipstick I use below it. If I want to use this lip gloss, it was looking pretty good on its own as well. And going on to the next shade, which is 04 Cookie Jar. Not a big fan of this shade, and you have to apply like twice because it is creamy, but it is not that pigmented as the first 2 shades are. Because it is a deeper shade, so you have to like apply 2 or 3 coats. But if you use a lip liner or you use a lipstick below, I think it would look really nice and it would actually look really good on medium to deeper skin tones. On me, I actually didn't like it because somehow I don't prefer these deeper tones. Not a big fan of these, but they are very comfortable lip glosses, that is for sure, but not a big fan of the shade. And going on to the last one, which is Fruit Snacks. I love this shade. I really liked it. I think even on its own it looks actually really pretty. You must have seen the swatch, it looked really pretty. Love this shade. I had to apply like twice because it was not that pigmented. I'm just saying it doesn't give that opaque finish as it gives in the lighter shades. You have to apply like twice to get this like full color. So I love this shade, that is for sure. It's actually really pretty and you can see it is so gorgeous. Honestly, love it. It smells amazing. They are very pretty on your lips. They look really nice. I mean, I don't feel that I have lip gloss. I feel like I have some kind of a lip balm on my lips because it is honestly not even drying at all, and it is not heavy. I mean, even the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, they are a little bit like thicker than this. This is not thicker like that. This is much better. I love it. And these two, like these two like will be my go-to shade for sure. And honestly, the Universal Glow will be my go-to shade because it is actually looking so pretty. And on days when I don't want anything on my face, just like brows mascara, this shade what I'm wearing will be my go-to shade. So anyways guys, if you guys love this video, please give a thumbs up. I really loved these lip glosses a lot. Not a big fan of this one, so I'm not sure, but I think if I use like a deeper lipstick below this, it would actually look nice, or if I do like an ombre one, it would look nice. But not a big fan of this shade. The first two shades are my favorite. Have you tried these lip glosses, lip cream lip glosses from Fenty Beauty? What are your thoughts? Are you gonna buy them, or you prefer the original, like the ones which are shimmers to it? Please do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. I didn't actually want to make this video too long, so that is why a short review video, but I wanted to put this video as soon as possible. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.